Hello, I am Olga Zinovieva, and I'm going to show you how to edit your profile on Moodles for Teachers. Go to the top right corner and click on your name, and the window will appear. If you click on your name, you will have a short review of all the information about you that you chose to inform. If you click on Preferences, another window is open on your left. Choose the second line and click on Edit Profile. Add your personal information, a description about you. By the way, you can always edit your personal description with the rich editor of Moodles. Then add a picture from your personal system. You can also delete it and add a new picture. If you have some middle names, you can add them here. Interests, well, optional, you can give as much information as you choose. And please don't forget to update your profile. Then, if you look at the other buttons, you will see that there are messages here. You can see what is written to you. Also, you can, as far as I understand, keep your private files in the Moodles. You can look through all the posts that you made in the Moodle forum. You can see in what discussions you took part. You can see your grades. So you're taking a course now, Moodle for Teachers. So all the information is in one place, which is very comfortable, I think. Also, you can also see your badges. Unfortunately, I haven't got any badges so far, but I hope to get one tomorrow. As soon as I have the badges, I will learn how to deal with them and what to do. You can also log out and get help. There are lots of other chapters under Preferences title, which are really easy to use since you can just click on them and try them out. I hope that helps a little. Thank you very much. Have a good weekend. Bye.